See scaffolding? Hey, look out! I'm gonna reach. Heads up. Reloading. Reloading. Reloading.
Reloading. I'm reloading.
Hey, let's use the radio. Howdy.
Well, hello there. I ain't heard another voice out here in 3 days. Hey, now, where you at? Now, I can't quite hear you now. What? Say what now? Where you at?
Dad, here's where we started.
Yeah, no, but I'm looking for the health packs.
Dad, they're always all outside. They're always.
I didn't see them.
Well, they should be because that was they're all at. You might just freaking heal up. See, Dad, they're all on that table over there.
There they are, all the way down there. Okay.
Yeah, you should know that by now. You guys are terrible at looking finding stuff.
First aid here. Hey, can somebody watch my back? Oh, yeah.
Alright, we got one health pack left over. Let's go call Virgil and run like hell.
Now, what now?
Yeah. I'd rather.
We're at a plantation house.
All right, now stay right where you at.
Don't get to the boat! Where's our coach? Look! Fire's coming!
Oh, Jesus, God, I didn't even know that.
Here they come! Everyone in the boat!
That was fast.
Thank you, Chili Gibbs Jr.
Told you, done it before. There you go. That's the way real men do it.
No. You should have got that achievement. We don't have small. Oh, well. Dad, you know you should do that. Stay by the freaking door first. And then freaking run. Build a Molotov and then run. You're blind, stupid. Where?
Hey, you planning on doing the one with Dark Carnival for the gnome? Or no?
Yeah. Yeah, it's freaking hard. I can't freaking. I will get to know by myself. That's the easy part. Are you joining?
Yeah.
I need help. I can't do it by myself.
Everybody can't hop off with a compressor.
Uh-huh. Wow, none of these waters are open, but
That one is.
yeah, I know this one. Cause that here you go, boy. Stress or what? What's stress anymore?
Go about the clock, honey.
Hey, good thing it's not open. Oh crap! The thing's still running.